Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a very exciting trade from earlier this week, a high-conviction intraday short trade on Polycab, which netted us a fantastic 1% profit. In this video, I'm going to break down every single detail of this trade, from the initial analysis to the exact entry and exit points, and most importantly, the why behind each decision. So let's start with the pre-market analysis. Why did Polycab even come onto my watch list for a potential short trade? First, I noticed that Polycab was showing weakness compared to the broader market. The Nifty or Bank Nifty might have been relatively strong, but Polycab was struggling. This relative weakness is a key indicator for potential short opportunities. Maybe the daily or hourly chart. Polycab was either consolidating at a resistance level or had already shown signs of a downtrend. For this specific trade, I mentioned specific setup, e.g., a clear breakdown of a support level on the hourly chart, or it was forming lower highs and lower lows consistently on the smaller time frame, say the 1-minute chart. I was looking for confirmation. I observed lower low close. The volume also played a crucial role. I wanted to see increasing volume on the downside to confirm the selling pressure. My entry signal came good. Polycab decisively broke below the 6,100 level. I initiated my sell trade at 6,100.50. This was a high-conviction entry because of lower low broke. Crucially, before entering, I had my stop loss firmly placed at 6,119.50. This stop loss was strategically chosen because it was above a significant resistance level, meaning if price went there, my bearish thesis would be invalidated now for the target. Based on certain risk-to-reward ratio of at least 1 to 2, my initial target for this trade was around the 6,038.50 level. After my entry, Polycab began to move in our favor, albeit with some minor pullbacks, then consolidated for a bit. This is where patience and discipline are absolutely critical. You can't let every minor fluctuation shake you out. My stop loss was active, protecting my capital. As the price continued to fall, I was closely monitoring the momentum and volume. And then, the moment of truth. Polycab came down exactly to our target area. I executed my buy to cover exit order at 6,038.50, effectively closing the trade. This trade yielded a profit of over 1% on the capital risk, which is a fantastic return for an intraday setup. I hope this detailed breakdown of my Polycab intraday short trade was insightful and helps you in your own trading journey. Remember, every trade is a learning experience, whether it's a win or a loss. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more live trading breakdowns and strategies, and let me know in the comments below what stocks you'd like me to analyze next, or if you have any questions about this trade. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy trading!